What is the problem of the student of civil engineer? The problem is so much easy. This problem could be starts in our college, and this starts when the teachers and coordination don't have so much distributed report for the students. Now this is so much important because the report has so much data for this coordination, and this is so much important to have to do a new methods for teaching and the learning for the students. If you don't have to do that, the problem of education never can be an edit result. Now we need to have to do them for having so much important now and having so much new and so much easy and so much best new methods for the future. Now, if you don't have to know it, the students of now have to need so much differences matter for study. All of the students have so much differences. And now, for the civil engineer have so much important problems for have to learning, and this learning is so much important have to learn in maths. If you don't have to learn in maths, you can never have so much engineer. But now, if so much one have to do this so much resolve a report, could we change them? The student have to know so much important solution for our education problems. But now, this so much report could be important to have to do for the coordinations and teachers too. They have so much another vision about the education for the students of civil engineer, and now of them is so much important that could be any required. And now for finally, if the coordinations of this career have this data, it's so much important now. Could be create building and so much new important things for maths. Could be reformer these maths for new students or the older students in this college.
Mathematics and sciences in engineering education are under review because a high demand for engineering graduates who do not base their characters on algebra or calculus are leaving it too. Programs that are now and the software. These of not saying important matters such as calculation and algebra generate mediocre. Engineers who simply put information to a computer. He solve everything and finish the work of the engineer. Engineers handle some methods to learn according to the need of the 21st century, which are 1. Methods specified in the use of the computers, such as the web or computer algebra systems. 2. Tutoring of your teacher of support centers. 3. They take real-life problems and assume them as if they were daring until they reach a solution. Somewhere in the world survey were conducted to see if the subject of the engineering character were useful in the future and if in their pensum they handle mathematics or basic sciences such as calculators, algebra, statistics, chemistry.